Yo, where's the scene? What's going on with all? I hope you guys doing alright. Now, if you are new to the island, my name is Ashley. Welcome and welcome back to the island. If you are not new, what's up? Come in, you guys. And on your way in, make sure to like the video if you feel vibe. You want more Diana Ankudinova. Today we are checking out a video premiere of Wounded Sounds. When I saw the name Wounded Sounds, I'm like, this sounds so cool, this sounds so creative. I really wanted to see what my girl has got going on. You know how I feel about her. She's amazing. I say it all the time. Diana Ankudinova is simply out of this world. Alright, I'm ready. Let's dive into it. Let's check it out. Let's go. Is that a violin? Wait. Wow. Hey. It almost sounds like a violin, but I'm not too sure if it's like a sound effect or actual violin. Awesome. Let's start that over. Oh, sorry. She's out there with her umbrella.
Смотри, какие фразы на мне блестит до переплава колен.
Hold on. Where is she? Is that like a big tree or something? Her hair like that. Her sitting under the umbrella. It's giving me very dramatic. Very cinematic. Amazing.
Дыхание только боль. Я путала тебя с собой. Эй, ты, спаси меня. 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 Эй, ты, спаси меня.
She said, hey you, save me. Guys, we are only like a couple seconds into the song, and honestly I fell in love, you guys, especially with the intro. The intro is fire, and the chorus and how her voice sounds on the chorus. I think we've got a hit with this one. I think we've got something that we're going to remember for a very long time. This one is gonna be huge. I think it's the melody. I don't know. The visuals crazy.
Мое притворство не забыло меня. Мне страшно простоять без огня. Колючий город режется.
Guys, like, okay. I'm in love. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. I know I pause and it's a lot, but I'm sorry. It's just so much to talk about. I'm so excited. Hannah, what genre is this one? Because I don't know. I thought we were gonna get a little techno. You see when my face was all shocked? I'm like, it's giving me a kind of techno feel when you beat job, and I just love this one. This one is so different.
Сгорает подо мною боль. Эй, ты, спаси меня. 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 Хорошо, ты не слухай раненые звуки. Я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Хорошо, ты не слухай раненые звуки. Я не стану копаться.
I don't even know what the chorus, like, I don't even know how to pronounce the words of the chorus in her language, but I'm trying. It's so catchy. You just have to want to sing along, but I can't even pronounce it. Hit. All I agree, this is amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
Выможу руки. Эй, ты, спаси меня. Эй, ты, спаси меня. Эй, ты, спаси
guys, let us talk about what we just witnessed there from our girl Diana Ankudinova. That was Wounded Sounds, and that was so good. I cannot explain to you guys how good for me it was. I think this is one of the best that I've heard in a very long time from Diana Ankudinova. Let me tell you guys, that instrumental, oh, sickening, amazing. I love the instrumental. I love the beat. It giving me kind of techno modern kind of feel, and the chorus is just so catchy. It just kind of stuck on me, and like I want to hear it over and over and over and over. I think this is definitely one of my new favorites from Diana Ankudinova already, hands down, guys. The visuals dramatic. I love her hair like that, everything awesome. This one is a hit for me. Your girl approves this one. So let me know you guys feel about it. Make sure you like the video if you want more Diana Ankudinova right here on the island. Thank you guys for being here.